Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to register for Alliance Bank online banking. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for Alliance Bank, then we're going to click on the first link that pops up. So as you can see, this is their official website. So next thing we do, we're going to click on open an account, then we're going to click on OK since they're going to guide us to a different website. So here, since we're first timers, we're going to click on the first option. Then they're going to send us a list that we need, an identification, social security number, as well as a funding source. Then once you're done, I'm going to click on continue. You guys need to have that in hand. Then we're going to write our email and confirm it. Then once we're done, I'm going to click on continue. Then again, they're going to send us an initial disclosure. Then we're going to see everything, the procedures, how they rule, everything about them. Then we're going to click on submit. We're going to click on our email and send it there. We're going to click on send, then click on continue. Then here, they're going to scan our identification image. So it could be either your identification number or your driver's license. So once we insert it, then we're going to proceed to our personal details, then our contact information, our address, everything about what they listed that we need, our social security number. Then once we're done, they're going to open an account for us. So this is how we do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.